In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Monzo to a Lloyds Bank account. By the end, you'll know exactly what to tap, what to enter, and what to look out for so your transfer goes through smoothly and quickly. Start by opening the Monzo app on your phone. Once you're in, look along the bottom of the screen for the navigation bar and tap Payments. This is the hub for sending and receiving money in Monzo, and it's where you'll begin any bank transfer. On the Payments screen, select Pay Someone. From there, choose Make a Bank Transfer. This tells Monzo you're sending money to a traditional bank account rather than to another Monzo user or a saved contact. Now you'll enter the Lloyds account details. You'll see fields for the account holder's name, the sort code, and the account number. Type the name exactly as it appears on the Lloyds account. For the sort code, enter the 6 digits without spaces or with spaces. Monzo will handle the formatting, then add the 8-digit account number. Take a moment to make sure each digit is correct. Small typos can send money to the wrong place, and it's always easier to catch mistakes before you move on. Once the details are in, tap Check Details. Monzo will verify the information and may show you a confirmation message to make sure the name matches what the receiving bank expects. When you're confident everything looks right, enter the amount you want to send. For this example, let's say 60p. You can type it as 0.60 if you prefer. Monzo will format it correctly. Next, tap Review Payment. This page summarizes the transfer, who you're paying, the sort code and account number, and the amount. Give it one last look. If anything seems off, you can go back and edit before continuing. If it all looks good, tap Confirm Payment. That's it. The money will be sent from your Monzo account to the Lloyds Bank account, usually within seconds, using faster payments. In most cases, the recipient will see the funds almost immediately. On rare occasions, like if a bank is performing checks or there's a network delay, it can take a bit longer, but you'll typically get a confirmation in the app right away. And there you have it. Open Monzo, go to Payments, choose Pay Someone, make a bank transfer, enter the Lloyds details, check them, add your amount, 60p in our example, review and confirm. Simple, clear and fast.